think about the speed limit here. And is here right before left? Yes and no. The next street, is that right before left?
Yes.
Yes, why? This is the one way. This is the one way, but
this is also crossing each other.
what is meaning with right before left?
Yeah, actually
All the
we have
traffics,
okay.
all the traffic users are coming from right. That's the preference.
Priority, yes.
Priority or the preference, no? So this is one way. With a car, you can go in.
Okay, yeah. It is. They can go. No car will come.
And
like
here, from this, we have the preference. They are pay attention. That they are take care of us.
Yeah. There is no entry.
No entry, but traffic is coming from left. But the left traffic have to wait.
Because we have the priority.
We have the priority. Yeah. Okay. And that's the case. Okay. Is here right before left? Yes or no?
No.
Yes.
But here it is there.
Yes, it is right before left. Why? The reason is the extra sign under the one-way sign.
Okay.
You can see the extra sign?
This is a sign. Okay.
That is a sign for cycles in both
Cyclists.
directions.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, go a little bit further.
Yeah.
Go a little bit further. Then you can see the part for the cycles here.
Okay.
Yeah, and go. Okay, nice. So, and here, what is this for traffic rule? Is it right before left? Yes or no?
No, there is no cyclist.
Exactly. Because here is the one way without extra sign. It's not free for cycles, and that's the reason why he is not right before left. Okay?
Yeah.
Then go. In Düsseldorf. We are in Düsseldorf. You can go on my profile. So now we turn left. Now we turn left. Pay attention for the children, and go a little bit on the right. Go a little bit on the right. That's enough. That's enough. Then look on the right side and go big curve.